Hey goons, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another video on the album covers, but instead of doing it with the Spotify code, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it with a QR code. Because what I realized is that a lot of people don't have Spotify, you know what I'm saying? So with a QR code, you can have it go to the YouTube video or like a different music player. I'm gonna show you the options that you can choose for the QR code. Plus, I think it would be a lot easier to print out a QR code rather than to print out the Spotify code and have to, you know, keep it on the paper as you're peeling it and weeding, and it'll be much simpler. And also, I have a couple of other things I want to do in this video, like press some stuff onto some stuff. All right, so with that being said, let's get into this video. Okay, today I am making an album cover for my little niece. She wants The Mood Forever by Beyonce. If you have not seen my first album cover video, you should go watch that, because I'm not going to do too much explaining on how I do everything on this one. We're going to breeze through this. I'm just mostly going to explain the QR code part, because I did explaining in the last one. So go check that one out if you want to know step by step on how to do this. But anyway, let's do this. We are working with the same size photo frame, which is a 5x7. So me, myself, I already got the measurements I need for everything to fit great into there. Okay, once you got that how you want it, now I'm gonna show you how to get the code. You're gonna go to qrcodetiger.com. Okay, let me get y'all close up on it. Focus. That's the website. It's gonna look like this. Okay, you see, so it gives you a lot of different options of how you want the code to come out. MP3, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, blah, 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 all that good stuff. So like I said, I'm gonna do YouTube. So I'm gonna go to YouTube and I'm gonna type in Mood Forever. Boom, this is the one. So I'm not trying to get copyrighted. Let's turn that on off. Copy the code, boom, go back to this. Paste, YouTube. Uh-oh, my bad. Click on what you want first, clearly. And then paste. Generate QR code. And then it gives you a lot of different patterns you can choose from on how you want the code to look. Let's just give y'all, see, you can pick what you want it to look like. You can choose how you want your little icons to look. And all that good stuff. Okay, and look, you can set the color you want it to be and all that. Like, look at that. Since her favorite color is purple, I'm gonna make her code purple. Ooh la la. Okay. Let's see about this purple though. I like that purple better. So this is what I'm going to go with. Boom. Okay. Close. So that is how the code is going to be printed out. Or whatever. Then you're gonna choose the SVG one. if you're gonna print it out, of course. So boom, save, download. So after they send it to your email, you download it to your computer, and then you go get it in your space. Boom, there's my code. Let's see if it will scan. Boom, as you can see, it popped up right down here on the screen after I scanned it. And then it takes me right to YouTube. Oh, that's kind of loud. Right to YouTube, and it takes me right to the thing, to the song. So that will be big enough. It is able to be scanned, and this is how it's going to look once I print it out, okay? But that is how you guys do the album cover with the QR code. And if you actually want to put the QR code onto the picture itself, you know, it can be like right here in the corner or whatever, put it wherever you want to, but I'm gonna have it right there because I just want the picture just to be the picture by itself, you know? So anyway, that is how you will do this with a QR code. I'm gonna get everything printed out and show you guys how it looks on the frame. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Let me put this black thing behind it so y'all can see. That is how we're looking. Okay, yes, she's gonna love it. Okay guys, so that is how you do the album cover with the QR code instead of the Spotify code. Okay, super easy. But I do got some other things I want to show you guys in this video, so let's get into that. All right, okay, now I'm about to make my niece a little tote bag. Okay, so for those who don't know, my niece and nephew have their own business. My niece has a cotton candy business and my nephew has a churro business. Book them for any event, okay? Not just saying this because they my family and they my babies, but the product is bomb, okay? Like the churros, bomb. Cotton candy, bomb. So make sure you book them for any events coming up. You need some churros, you need some cotton candy, and they link gonna be in the description below. But anyway, I thought it was gonna be really cute to put my niece logo on these this tote bag that I have. This is her logo. I'm gonna print it out and I'm gonna press it onto this cute color coral tote bag, and I think it's gonna be so lit. She's gonna love it so much. Yes. So let's print this out and see what it's looking like. Got the picture printed out. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so amazing. She's gonna love it. So my machine is heated and ready. I am gonna change the time though to 30 seconds. Boom. Okay y'all, so I ordered these tote bags because I'm gonna be putting stuff on them, all right? And it came with like so many different colors. I love it, I love it, I love it. So this is the first tote bag I'm gonna make. I'm gonna place this on this here machine. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh. Okay y'all, please be careful when you messing with this, because this is like my 15th time. I almost burned myself. Okay, shoot. Got time? Who got time for that? Not me. Makes me nervous. Okay, so it is on there. And let's press it for a couple of seconds so it can be flat. That'll do it. That'll do it. I'm gonna do it one more time, just to be on the safe side. Uno, dos, tres. All right. So I want it to sit like boom right here, of course, in the middle. Oh snaps, my crazy self about to mess up. I forgot to pull the back off. Crazy. Okay, so I got the back off. And we're gonna place that right where we want it to be. Boom. That look good to y'all? Cause it look good to me. Alright, put your silicone paper on top. Make sure it's at 30 seconds. Place that on there. Heavy pressure when doing pictures and stuff. And let the time bring it down. I'm actually gonna put this, I found this cute little Susie Carmichael picture, but this for me, y'all. I'm gonna put this on a shirt for your girl. Ooh, 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 ooh. Cute. I also made this album cover, y'all. The ring light be killing my vibe sometimes. All right, boom, y'all can see it a little better. Good Kid, Mad City, okay? Turn up, turn up. Beep, beep, beep. All right. Booyah. I learned to let it cool down for a second. This is a cool remove. Don't try to remove it when it's hot, y'all, because this is how I messed up my first shirt. Let me show y'all. I'm tired of bending down. Let me lift y'all up too. But the first time I tried to put a picture on the shirt, I just thought, you know, you lift it up, pull the stuff off, you ready, you good to go. All right, let me show y'all what I did. I pulled it off too fast and I messed her up. Okay, the paper was all stuck to it. Plus I had used the wrong kind of paper because I didn't know that this actually came with this silicone paper. So I used a regular like parchment paper. It didn't work out well. And this is why this looks like this, but I'm not gonna throw this out. I'm gonna tell you this right now. I'm gonna find something big enough to cover her and press something else on it. I thought Susie Carmichael was gonna be big enough to cover her, but you can still see her foot and stuff. But I'm not wasting no whole shirt, all right? But anyway, back to what we doing. That should have been long enough. Look at that, you peel it off. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Y'all, she gonna be so happy. And that makes me happy. Oh, look at it. Yes. Oh, look at that. So cute pie. I'm proud. I'm happy. Oh, so cute. So like I was saying, make sure you guys follow my baby's Instagram if you have any kind of events, birthday parties, bar mitzvahs, weddings, anything that you feel like you want some cotton candy or some churros, please make sure you hit them up. So go ahead and follow their Instagrams. Like I said, I will have them linked in the description box below. You can check out what kind of cotton candy and what kind of churros they have. They be having deals and all kind of stuff, so make sure you go check them out. Click the descriptions in the box below. I gotta find something cool to put my nephew's logo on. Pretty sure he doesn't want a tote. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this helped you out if you decide you want to try it with the QR code instead of the Spotify code. But if you want to try it with the Spotify code, make sure you check out that other video of how I did it from start to finish. You can also check out my Instagram if you want t-shirts or tote bags or album covers. I'm doing it all, and I made a couple of cups. I don't have none here on me. You can go to my Instagram and check them out because I'm gonna post them on there of the little crafts I'll be over here doing with this Cricut machine. I just love this machine so much, y'all. I hope this video helped you guys out. Hope you learned something cool today. But anyway, make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you want to see more of me. And if you don't, then don't, but you know I fucking appreciate it. Hey, until next time, see you guys later. Peace.